Hey everybody, Micah here from Solar States. I'm here to talk about the Greenfield Manufacturing solar installation that we recently completed in Northeast Philadelphia. It's a 340 kilowatt solar array. As you can see, it only takes up part of the roof because we sized it to match the customer's electrical load. Additionally, we sized the inverters so that the solar array can be expanded in the future should they need additional capacity. So right now they can add another inverter and additional solar panels with almost no work involved other than just adding those solar panels and inverters. No new wiring, no other stuff that has to happen. And that's because when we got interconnection permission for this project, we asked Pico for additional capacity as well. And that speaks to the forethought that you want to have when you're planning a solar array. We're here to help you plan your next commercial solar array. Warehouses in and around the Philadelphia, New Jersey, and Maryland area are perfect places for solar. If you want more information, give us a shout. Thanks a lot.